When it comes to ease of use, when operating the gimbal, I mostly find myself using the default camera app. But what kind of limitations do we really encounter when using these apps with our gimbal? And what kind of things can we do in order to get the same result? Well, that's what I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video on why I sometimes prefer shooting with the standard camera app than I do with the DJI GO app. And before we begin this comparison, we'll be using my DJI Mobile 2 that will be equipped with my iPhone 10. So when it comes to launching the applications, no matter what device you're using, there's gonna most likely be a shortcut or a widget on your lock screen or home page. And once launched and the gimbal is powered on, you could hit record hands-free without needing to run the DJI GO app. And launching the DJI GO app can take a bit longer since it requires a couple more steps. So if you're capturing something in a hurry, you're better off launching the camera app on your smartphone. But by doing so, you do lose the zoom slider control on the gimbal. But depending on the phone, this can be a good thing, since the DJI GO app doesn't utilize the optical zoom. And so, to really test this out, I made sure that the zoom on the DJI GO app matched the same distance like the optical zoom did on the iPhone 10. And reviewing the footage side by side, on the DJI app, you notice that the color contrast is a bit more exposed than you would by just using the optical zoom on the default camera app. Even photos, it's not much, but you can still see the same effect. So if you're using a phone that has an optical lens like the iPhone 10, you're better off using the default camera app for that. The next test I went ahead and did is to see if there's even a difference in smoothness and performance between the two apps. And to me, both shots of footage perform identical to really call out anything. You could also vote on a little iCard on top right corner if you agree or you notice something different on either app. And then if you want to shoot a quick time lapse, you can by just using the default camera app. Just simply place the phone with the gimbal on a nice flat surface, then just let it record facing whatever angle you want. Once your video has the appropriate time of footage, you can simply speed up the video in post-production, then you'll wind up with the same result as if you were using the DJI GO app. The benefits on why someone might consider recording this way is that the DJI app is limited on video resolution. This of course varies on the phone you have, but my iPhone 10 is capable of recording 4K at 60 FPS, while the DJI GO app will only like you to record at a resolution of 4K at 30 FPS. Furthermore, about shooting content on the default app, you'll find yourself freeing up more storage space, unlike the DJI GO app. Once you finish capturing that set footage, unless it's a time lapse that's been compressed, your regular video clip will take up more storage space, since you'll need to go and download it on the DJI Gallery library for the video to be placed in your phone's photo library. So technically you'll have two identical videos on your phone taking up unnecessary space. So when capturing quick videos like this, you're better off just using the default camera app to free up more storage and makes it easier to share. Now otherwise, unless you need guidelines for like rule of thirds or creating some hyperlapse, motion lapse, click the little iCard on top if you want to find out more on how to create them, or create some really cool panoramic looking shots using the gimbal assist, or even take some long exposure shots to add some really sick effects to your photos. But as I shown in this video, the default camera app is quite a capable application as well. So, question for you guys. What application do you find yourself most of the time using alongside with your Osmos? Me, I would just find myself using the default camera app most of the time. If I'm not shooting hyperlapse, I'm just shooting regular time lapse. Now, if you found this video informative or if I helped you out in any way, don't forget to smash that like button as well as subscribe to the channel while you're at it. Also, share this video to somebody who might find this information helpful. But until next time, see y'all on the next video. Peace!